Okay, today is August 22, 2023, Tuesday. So, this day marks the first year na nakilala ko si Jay-Z, my best friend. And the first day na pumunta ko sa Montfort ever. These past 2 months have been a very, very hard 2 months actually. Na hindi ako nagsulat sa diary ko or anything. Tinatamad na ako magsulat, so ito na lang gagawin ko. Mag-post ako every day, depends. So, today, di ko alam kung ano yung nararamdaman ko actually. So, ayaw ko lumipat ng Montfort, to other schools. Gusto ko lang magstay sa Montfort. But I think, at the end of this day, sa pag-uwi ko na yan, I realize kung bakit ako nilipat ng mundo dito sa St. Cap. I realize, oh my God, man. I think I am a goddamn fool. So, what had happened was, hindi ko alam kung ano yung state ko. May happy, may sad, may hindi ko alam. Tinatamad na ako sa buhay. Ayaw ko mag-aaral na. So, I have this na-attach ako sa mga tao na like kaibigan. I nurture that connection at ayaw ko mawala yun. Ever. I value that shit. No. I value that greatly actually. So, gumising ako, kita ko yung mga classmates ko, nag-message dyan na malapit na sila sa school. Tapos ako, wala, dito lang ako, kaupo. Tad sa gawaing bahay. I have this feeling na ayaw ko maiwan o ma-miss out. Miss ko sila Jay-Z at Jan Ryan. Gusto ko kasama ko sila parati. Pati si Jeff. Kasi pag kasama ko mga kaibigan ko, nakapalabas ko yung totoo ako. So, nagpaalam ako kay la mama. Punta ako today. You know the details, you yourself know. Don't even share it. Na this day lang ako pupunta. Yun yung deal namin. Dahil ayaw ako payagan pumunta sa Montfort. At to December na ako papayagan ulit pumunta. So I took the deal and I said yes. And yeah, pumunta naman ako. Bumili pa ako. Naku po. Ba't pa ako bumili? Pero okay lang. Sanay na ako na parati yung hinihingi ko at yung gusto ko parati hindi pinibigay. Like, I'm fucking depressed today, man. Ang hirap mag-fake smile. Pero kailangan ko mag-fake smile eh. Hindi ko na alam kung basta today our final offensive is declared unsuccessful in all terms and fields. I am confused. And I am deeply sad. This is absolutely detrimental to the effects of my holistic health. Subsequently, I think what happened today was for the best. I realize this world is very, very annoying. Not just annoying, it plays with you. Ay, pinaglalaroan ka ng mundo. Naka po. Well then, focus tayo sa education and dreams. The oaths I swear and the promises I take is mine only alone. Opo, kung tatanda tayo mag-isa. Well, so that is my day. And I am watching sad movies because di ko malabas yung sadness ko and iyak ko. I am right here at my bed, depressed as hell, man. But I'm thankful sa meron ako kaysa sa isipin yung kung ano yung wala at di ko makuha. Contented na ako. Okay na ako nito. No, di ako okay nito actually. Pero kailangan ko sumunod. Mahirap. Sobrang hirap. Inatake ako ng genjutsu ng pag-ibig, gagi. Ay, hindi ko alam. Hindi ko rin maintindihan. Hindi ko mabasa. Hindi ko gets. Well, today, this is my day. This week is gonna be one hell of a shit, man. But one very exciting thing that happened today. The only good news na lumabas lang. Is nayakap ko yung mga kaibigan ko ng goodbye. Hindi ko alam kung saan kami lahat mapupunta pag tumanda kami. Pero ayaw ko makita sila na naghirap pag tumanda kami. Today, na nakapasok pa ako sa first day of school ng Montfort Video actually. I realized I should focus on education first, which is so vitally important. Interest. The road is already built for my future. I need not deviate from the path. But I do not know what will happen actually. This is the time to let go, maybe. But let's just see. Loyal until death. I think I'm goddamn crazy. I'm talking to myself late at the night. Watching movies and studying. Oh my god. So this is my day. Today is August 22. Sabay kami ni Ella pa umalis. Ibang iba yung Montfort. I didn't feel at home at all actually. I feel very naked. I have nothing to hold on to. Ba't ganito yung mundo, men? This is my day. And goodbye. At future EJ, kung pinapanood mo to, saan ka man, habulin mo pangarap mo, gago ka. Gusto ko pumunta ng Paris, diba? Venice, Milan, Roma, Madrid, Lisbon, Belgrade, Athens, Istanbul, Cairo, Berlin,